Good morning, LinkedIn community. Let's get right into it. Strategy execution, the way your business scales and succeeds. There are several different systems out there for execution. Common systems are the entrepreneurial operating system. I've been getting to understand the Rockefeller habits a little bit better, which gives some great checklists in terms of how to build the core of your organization. And here's one of the tips from the Rockefeller habits, which is the substance of today's video. So you want to ensure that every aspect of your organization, be that sales or marketing or purchasing or manufacturing, quality control, accounting, banking, that every aspect of your organization has a staff member clearly assigned to it and responsible for the attainment of those goals in that job function. So that's only one element, but it is an essential element of execution, because if your team doesn't have full coverage of all the issues, and if you are not assigning accountability for goals to folks that have the resources to attain them, then you are not quite as likely to meet those goals. Pretty straightforward concept. And, the Rockefeller habits are a proven method. They've been around a long time. Suggest you check them out if you haven't heard of them. Now, there are some other ones that I'll go through in future videos, but the gist of today's lesson is that make sure every key function in your organization has a staff member clearly assigned through their job description, through their tasks, to oversee the goals, manage the processes in that area, and drive it forward. That's it today, LinkedIn community. Hope you all have a great day.